Hi, my name is Graham Drew, and this is Corey Hayes. He's going to be asking me questions every week about Blvd piping. Let's get into it.
Bring it on. Alright, Graham, I've got a question here for you about Blvd. This one is in regards to polybutylene and copper fittings. Now, I know you get asked quite a few questions like this, but maybe could you just elaborate on fittings and Blvd piping?
Absolutely. So there's a lot of myths and misinformation going on the fittings on Blvd. So we're going to start off with just telling you about the fittings when they were installed. Plastic fittings were installed on Blvd from 1985 to 1986. After that, they kind of got rid of the acetyl fittings because they did have a high failure rate. After that, they went on to copper fittings, which, contrary to the myth out there that says copper fittings are way better than the acetyl fittings, that's not true at all. The acetyl fittings did decompose and break and have fractures in them, but we see just as much problems with the copper fittings. The copper fittings were overly crimped and resulting in less composition area right underneath the fitting. So in most cases, we can actually break off and shear right from the crimps.
Hey Graham, thanks for answering this week's question on Blvd. Stay tuned for next week's question or leave us a comment below and we'll create another video answer.